until recently, the way I opened the tailgate was actually pulling on this rod here and then pulling on this, and that usually opens the tailgate. Now that was a great anti-theft mechanism for right now, but I just purchased a locking one with the latch itself, so hopefully it doesn't take me as long as the other one for the center console, which it probably will. So let's continue. So a few things I have here. So this is from the Bully brand. Well, this was actually from Amazon. This is a hitch mechanism, which came with this. Well, no, this is the Bully, actually, the Bully bezel that I'm going to be using. This is the bezel that came with the hitch, which I won't be using. The keys. And the lock itself. And a few extra hardware, which I think I'm going to be using. Instruction manual. And extra clips, which it already have some, so I'm not sure. We'll see what those are. And let's put this to the side. Got my little junky toolbox. And these 3 bolts on the tailgate. And let's get started. So I'm trying to do this one-handed here, but I took out the back bolts. Hopefully that thing's upside down. But yeah, I took out the back bolts which are 13 millimeters, and I got this whole thing out. Hopefully the bed doesn't fall on me. And I'm gonna remove these clips, which seems simple enough, and replace it with the new one. But first I'm gonna try to focus on that bezel and see how that works. So instructions actually say that this has to be on already, so I had to put it on, both latches on, and closes and opens like a dream. So now we're gonna focus on the bezel itself. All right guys, so instruction says to actually replace this bolt. This is one of the 3 bolts in the tailgate, and replace it with one of the screws here. Now I got this screw, and then I have a locking screw, so I use the locking screw, which is a flat blade. Makes it easier, or more anti-theft in my opinion. Bang, right there. So yeah, you just replace that one. Make sure it's nice and aligned. Now we're just gonna install the bezel, which is right here. It has a 3M adhesive. All right, guys, what you guys think? Cool, huh? So now it's in the lock position. Can't take it anywhere. Now I just get the keys. Boom. Bang. Perfect. There you go. And there's the new screw I just installed. It's a locking security screw. And that is my video for this 2003 Silverado I just picked up. Now my next project, we'll see what it is. I think I'm going to go ahead and get the knock sensors fixed. Alright guys, so it's getting a little dark here, so I'm just gonna finish off the video. I finished the little project I did today on Memorial Day. So next I'm just gonna take my truck out to get fixed for the knock sensors. I am not gonna do that. I am capable of it, but it's just a pain in the butt to do it, especially on a house that I'm just renting a room until I buy my new house with a nice garage. So I'm going to get that done. Then after that, I think I'm gonna get some little other doodads fixed, like the dash lights, which some of them are out, I could tell, and also the exterior lights, which will need to be replaced, both the front and the back. And I'll just continue with my Silverado project, tires later on, and hopefully we can continue from there. But thank you guys for watching. This is Taurus 3800 logging out.